Good morning, good morning. Morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning.
Morning, Miss.
Oh, thank you for answering my greeting. I'm so
Good
sorry.
morning, Miss.
Yeah, I'm so sorry I haven't open or I haven't started my camera yet. Saya belum ini open camera. Because today, not today, in the morning was the hectic morning. I needed to do many activities. So I still put on my makeup right now. Okay, I will open the camera. How are you today? How are you, everyone?
I'm great, Miss.
I'm good, Miss.
I'm good. I'm great. Yeah. Have you eaten, everyone?
I have
Mm-hmm.
haven't ate breakfast, Miss.
Oh, okay. So, will you have a brunch, Bro Agus?
What?
Will you have brunch? Breakfast and lunch together.
Yeah.
Brunch.
Yeah.
Okay, after this class. Do you work, bro, right now? Are you working right now?
Yeah, I'm working last night.
Oh, last night. So, in the morning is free for you.
Yeah.
Okay, how about other participants? Have you eaten, guys? Have you eaten? Coba-coba
Yes,
makan
I'm
belum?
ready. I haven't eaten breakfast, Miss.
Oh, okay. So, you have had your breakfast, Sister Rafika?
Yes.
What did you have for breakfast, sister?
Fried rice.
Fried rice. Yes. Easy, simple.
Yeah.
Fried rice is easy to cook and it's really simple. Well, guys, today's topic is about interview. We make some question sentence from what we learn here. You know, interview, we can use 5W and 1H. Apa itu 5W? 5W and 1H?
What, where, when.
Huh?
What, where, when.
What, where, when? Kurang dua.
Who.
Who?
Itu who. Ya, who.
Who? Who? Satu lagi, 5W-nya apa?
Why?
Why?
Yeah,
Kalau
why.
H-nya
H.
berarti
Oh,
how. Nah, this is the
teman.
basic question word in English. We can derive maksudnya bisa menganakkan lagi itu ya, beranak lagi menjadi many question from how. And then from what, itu banyak what time ya, what kind of, what type of, how far, how tall, how much, how many, banyak lagi. Tapi yang common itu adalah 5W and 1H. This is common word question in English. Not sometimes. It is familiar for WH question. Jadi kalau dalam bahasa Inggris itu juga disebut WH question. Ya, WH question. Kenapa disebut WH question? Karena kata tanya dalam bahasa Inggris itu consist of letter H and letter W. Berisi tentang huruf W, H, H itu H, dan huruf W, W, W. Nah, itu teman-teman. Makanya ada yang bilang WH question atau disebut dengan question word atau disebut dengan lagi 5W and 1H. We can apply this W and 1H in our conversation. What is your favorite cuisine, everyone? What is your favorite cuisine? what is your favorite cuisine? Cuisine, you know cuisine?
Kan ya?
Cuisine, apa cuisine?
Pupu nggak?
Masakan apa nih?
Iya,
Masakan.
masakan. Nah, what is your
Indonesian.
favorite cuisine?
Indonesian
Huh?
cuisine.
Oh, Indonesian cuisine? Only Indonesian cuisine? How about others? Same as sister here, Indonesian cuisine. Sama, semuanya Indonesian cuisine. Yang lainnya apa? Sama, Indonesian cuisine juga.
I love steak, Miss.
Me too.
Steak?
Yes.
Okay.
Vegetable.
Steak, vegetable. Okay, Indonesian cuisine. So this is not Indonesian cuisine ya. When we talk about, nah, this is not Indonesian cuisine anymore. Vegetable, steak, and anything here. Okay. Yeah, I love Indonesian cuisine, but for East Java cuisine, especially East Java typical food. Jadi Jawa Timur, masakan Jawa Timur itu delicious, guys. Nah, of course, it's spicy. And then the next, where do you usually go on the weekend?
What is this?
Where do you usually go on the weekend?
Playground.
I go to the playground.
Playground.
Okay. Ya, yang lainnya juga go to the playground. Saya anggap semuanya ini loh, go to the playground loh. Nanti kalau nggak jawab,
Just stay at home, Miss.
stay at home. Okay. On the weekend, nothing to do, Miss. Okay, yeah. I have the same activity as you, sister. I go to the playground with my little daughter. Of course, with my little daughter. And the next, why do you eat rice?
Eat rice.
Why do you eat rice?
Kenapa?
Because
I'm hungry.
can be
Because
full.
because I'm hungry, because it can make full. Okay. Apalagi?
Because
And
rice
many
is
food ya.
Miss.
Pardon?
Makanan utama.
Oh, staple food.
Pep.
Staple food.
My favorite food.
Apa? Because rice is my favorite food. Okay, boleh. Rice is your favorite food. I think we are Asia or we are Indonesian. When we eat rice, so we can say that we have our meal. But when you have noodle, it's your snacking. Iya kan? Kalau kita makan mie itu snacking. Tapi kalau kita makan nasi itu adalah having a big meal ya. Punya ini kan makan makanan kita itu. Okay. Yeah. And of course, the other one make us full when we eat rice and we have a lot of energy to pass our day. What do you usually do in the morning, guys? What do you usually do in the morning?
I'm cooking.
I cook in the morning.
Drink coffee,
I
Miss.
make breakfast.
I
I
make
drink coffee, Miss.
Oh, drink coffee. Wah, saya ketemu pecandu kopi terus ini. Yeah, okay. What do you usually do in the morning? Of course, I get up, then I pray subuh. After that, I cook breakfast. How do you travel for holiday?
How do you travel?
By car.
How do you travel for holiday? How? How do you
Bagaimana
travel
jalan
for
untuk
holiday?
Mana kamu pergi untuk liburan?
Do you travel by public transportation? Do you travel by bus? Do you travel by train? Do you travel by private transportation? How do you travel for holiday?
Depend on.
Ya, oke. Sis Rafika, depend on.
Depend on if we go to jauh soner ya.
Ya,
Miss.
far.
Far.
Far distance.
We can buy to try to plan
We can
And-
use plane, okay.
and if dekat
Near, close.
near those we can buy motorcycle or car.
Okay, we can
Maybe.
go by motorcycle or car. Wow, yeah, depend on the distance, yeah, sister. How about
Yes.
other participants? Do you agree with Sister Rafika? Depend on the distance. Hello? Oh, nggak ada orangnya. Ya udah. Oke. Yeah, I don't know where are you guys here. Only Sister Rafika answer me. Okay, so let's continue our discussion. The discussion is about how to make question sentence here. Untuk bisa melakukan interview, kita harus bisa membuat pertanyaan yang baik dan tepat. Artinya ya benarlah ininya ya, tensesnya atau grammatical word-nya, itu grammatical sentence-nya. When we use 5W and 1H. If you open the book and then you will find this is not using auxiliary but using to be. I changed to be, and it's not to be, but I changed it auxiliary. Because when we talk about auxiliary, it's include to be, do, does, date, and then have, has, had, and then the last is modal verb. But when we use to be only on the auxiliary here, to be is only SMR with were be. That's why kalau di bukunya teman-teman itu tulisannya to be. Kalau to be itu hanya SMR with were been. Tapi kalau kita bilangnya auxiliary, after question word we use auxiliary. It means auxiliary includes to be, who does, ya, do, keluarga do, and then keluarga has, and then the last is modal verb. Jadi auxiliary artinya adalah kata kerja bentuk. So after auxiliary, subject and complement. Complement can be verb, complement can be noun, complement can be phrase. Ya, jadi complement pelengkap itu bisa semuanya yang ada di sini. Example-nya what? What do you like about your album? What do you like to do in the morning? Ini what? What will you do at the next concert? What will you eat this afternoon? What will you eat for lunch tomorrow? Example-nya, what will. Why? Mengapa? Kalau mengapa itu pasti jawabannya adalah because. Ya. Why did you take this course? Why did you take this course? Because
I want improve my skill about English, Miss.
okay. Why do you love your partner? Why do you love your partner? Why do you love your husband? Why do you love your wife? Nah, ini jawabannya adalah because, of course, dengan because. Kalau who, ini sedikit berbeda dari kata tanya yang lainnya. Who itu tanpa auxiliary. Tapi look at this one. Who itu menanyakan subjeknya. Jadi langsung subjek dari kalimat itu. Example-nya kalau dalam kalimat sentence gitu ya, kalau kalimat positif. Nah, who inspire you to make it? Nah, my father inspire me to make it. My father-nya diganti who. Maka jadi pertanyaan. Kalau who itu bisa pakai auxiliary, bisa enggak. Kalau who inspire you to make it, auxiliary-nya sudah gabung ke verb-nya. Tapi kalau kita mau kasih auxiliary, who does inspire-nya without S. Who does inspire you to make it? Who support you in your career? Ya, who does support you in your career? Kalau mau pakai ada auxiliary-nya. Di situ yang ditanyakan subjek. Tetapi kalau when, where, how, what, why, ini butuh auxiliary. Ya. When will you be in the movie? When did you make it? Ya. When did you graduate from university? Samuelnya. Where will you buy your shoes? Where lagi apa contohnya? Where? Where?
Where are you
Where?
come from, Miss?
Where are you from?
Oh
Oke.
yeah, where are you from?
Ah, where are you from? Terus,
Where do you want hang out?
where do you go hang out?
Hang out. Yeah.
Where do you live?
Where do you live? Banyak tahu. How sekarang? How?
Where
How
are
is
you?
your day?
How was your day? How are you? Oke, boleh yang lainnya. How?
How do you do?
How do you do? Oke. Kalau itu bukan pertanyaan, itu how do you do, itu greeting itu. Kalau how do you do, greeting, how do you do? How?
How do you make delicious food?
Oke, how do you make the delicious food? Ada lagi? How lagi? How? 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 Sudah how-nya? Nggak ada lagi how-nya. Ya udah deh, kalau nggak ada lagi ini, nggak ada lagi beneran. Oke, so kita mau isi fill the blank with the right question word. Number 1.
What?
Buat apa sih, Kak?
What?
What do you do in your spare time?
Okay, what do you do in your spare time? I watch TV. Number
I watch
2.
TV. Where?
Where
did
did you
you
go
go
last
last
year? In Jakarta.
In Jakarta.
Number 3.
When?
When
will you
When
return?
will you return?
In
Number 4.
today. How? Bukan.
what?
Yeah, how many
How-
books have you
How
bought?
many books?
Nah. Number 5.
How old?
When?
How old is
How
your
old is
mother?
your mother?
Number
She
6.
is- How much?
How
much?
much? Okay,
Is the
how
ice
much?
cream?
And then number 7.
What
What
do you get
do you
at
get
high
at
school?
How? How do
Oh,
you
yeah, how.
get a high
study.
score? And then the next. Ada number
No, no,
8.
no.
Who
Who is
who
is
is playing with the
with
dog?
the dog? Okay. Number 9.
how?
How do you go to the
How do you go to the mall? Number 10.
How did
How
you
did
feel?
you feel?
Yeah, how did you feel? Awfully.
Also,
Awfully. Okay, selanjutnya I have a daily expression here. Sorry, I didn't mean to. What does it mean?
Maaf,
Artinya
aku
apa?
tidak, aku tidak bermaksud.
Ya, maaf nggak sengaja. Maaf nggak sengaja guys. Nah, itu ya. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Maaf nggak sengaja. So, and then the next. Who's inside?
Siapa di
yang di
dalam?
dalam?
Siapa yang di dalam? Who's inside? Please make a line.
Silahkan membuat garis.
Oke, antri dong.
Antri.
Ngantri dong. Nah, please make a line. Ngantri dong, gitu. And then take it easy.
Ini mudah.
Bikin mudah.
Santai aja.
Santai aja.
Feel free.
Istirahat. Siapa apa?
Jangan sungkan-sungkan.
Feel free.
Feel free. Jangan sungkan-sungkan. Give me a break.
Istirahat. Break apa?
Kasih aku waktu. Give me a break. And then, how could it be?
Bagaimana bisa?
Ya, kok bisa sih? Nah, tuh. How could it be? Not so bad.
Bagus.
Lumayan. It's none of your business. It's none of your business.
Bukan urusan Anda.
Bukan urusanmu. Don't mess with me.
Jangan main.
Jangan macem-macem denganku. Nah, jangan main-main denganku. I beg for your forgiveness.
Saya minta maaf. Saya mohon maaf.
I beg for your forgiveness. Nah, aku minta maaf. Nah, aduh, aku minta maaf ya, guys. Maafin aku ya. Itu. I beg for your forgiveness. Or you can say, I'm sorry. Nah, tuh. I'm sorry itu juga bisa pakai I beg your forgiveness. Oke. Ya. Ada Bro Rohman. Baca, bro. Number 1 till 11, bro. Bro Rohman? Ada nggak orangnya? Nggak ada. Sis Saskia, could you please read for us, sister?
Okay, Miss. Number 1, sorry, I didn't mean to. Number 2, who's inside? Please make a line. Take it easy. Feel free. Give me a break. How could it be? Not so bad. It's none of your business. Don't mess with me. I beg for your forgiveness.
Okay, thank you so much. Any question? Okay, I will give you a chance. Please ask me how many question ya? 5 question. First question. Kalimat kata tanya pertanyaan kalimat tanya pertanyaan. Pertama. First question. Siapa nih yang mau tanya? Up to you. You can ask my personal information or something like that. What you want, you know. Yeah. Please ask me question. Gak ada yang mau tanya? Ayo, Pak. Bikin kalimat tanya. Tanyakan ke saya. 5 questions. 5.
Where's your hometown, Miss?
My hometown is Trenggalek.
Oh yeah, same as me.
Okay.
How did you learn English, Miss?
How did I learn English? I learned English in university. No. Actually, I learned English since I was a kid. Okay. Other question?
How long have you been teaching, Miss?
How long I have been teaching English? I have been teaching since 2009 until right now.
What university did you go to?
I studied in Islamic Malang University. I graduated in 2013.
What do you major?
My major is English education. Major.
How did you go to university, Miss?
How did you go? What does it mean? From my boarding house?
Yes.
Or okay, I travel by motorcycle. Because I didn't stay in a boarding house, but I rent a house with my friend. So I went to the university by motorcycle.
Where is your boarding house?
I didn't stay in the boarding house, but I stay in a rent house, and I rent a house in Lembah Dieng. If you know Lembah Dieng in Malang, yeah, I rent a house there with my friend.
Why you love teaching English, ma'am? Miss.
Actually, I don't like English, but I love teaching.
Okay.
That's why when I studied in a university, for the first time, I studied in Surabaya University. UNESA, Universitas Negeri Surabaya. UNESA. And my major is art. Especially, specific major is dance. That's why when someone asks me, why did you love teaching English? Actually, I don't love teaching English. I love teaching. For me, teaching is an art. That's why I'm here until right now. When I do not think that teaching is art, it's difficult for me to deliver or to explain about material that I have. Okay, last question. Last question. Pertanyaan terakhir, dah.
How can you describe, Miss, if you teach another participant, Miss?
How would you describe another class?
Yes.
Hmm,
About your feeling, Miss.
about my feeling. What is my feeling? What does it mean?
Jadi ada kepuasan tersendiri nggak, Miss, kalau ngajar gitu,
Oh,
Miss?
of course. Okay, this is what I felt when finish the class, and then you understand about the material that I share to you, and then it's a beneficial for you. That's my satisfaction. My responsibility is done. But when many participants many participants do not understand about material that I share, means I fail deliver the material. When I got a lot of complaint, I do not give a good service. But when I get a lot of, what is it? Not complain. What I mean? I can say good insight from participant. Good insight from participant or compliment from the participant. It means I feel that I can reach the goal in every single class. Not many classes like active. I have 4 classes in a webinar. Especially for adult, I have 3 classes, and for children, 1 class for children, and regular class for children 1. And when they feel comfortable and they feel confident, it means that my satisfaction in teaching. Of course, the other one, I rarely start the class late. Itu my satisfaction ketika saya ngajar, nggak pernah telat, ya jarang telat lah, bukan nggak pernah, jarang telat,
Miss,
bisa menyampaikan dengan baik.
I have a daughter. She is 5 years old, but she can already reading book. Bisa nggak join kelasnya, Miss, sister?
Oh, bisa banget, sister. Banyak itu malah yang nggak bisa baca. Sister, aku nggak bisa baca. Nggak apa-apa sayang. Ayo
Oke,
ikutin
sip.
sister.
Jam berapa itu, Miss?
Jam 4 sore, tapi mulainya minggu depan, sister.
Oke, sis.
Mm-mm.
Miss.
Nah, karena jam 4 sore ini juga minggu terakhir, udah selesai. Nah,
Sip.
nanti Senin ada kelas baru itu, jam 4 sore
Oke,
kalau anak-anak.
Sip. Thank
Oke,
you for your information.
biar lebih confident.
Iya.
Ketemu temennya nanti banyak ngobrol itu. Oke, so guys, this is our discussion. Number 1. The right question what?
Where?
Where? Number 2.
How long?
How long? Number 3.
Who? Who
Who?
did you?
Do. Number 4.
How many?
How many? Number 5.
Where do you?
How?
How do you
How do you get
get
to
to
school?
school? Number 6.
What?
What? Number 7.
When?
When?
When? Number 8.
Your birthday? Do you on birthday?
What do you
What
do
do you
on
do?
your birthday? And you can continue number 9.
What?
What are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies? Now, and then
What?
number 10.
What's
What?
your phone number?
What's your phone number? 11.
What?
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 What is your email address? 12.
How
How
tall?
tall?
How tall?
How tall you get?
13.
How often?
How often?
to the cinema?
How often do you go to
How
the
often?
cinema? And then number 14.
What?
What?
Do you,
When do you use it?
What?
what?
What do you? What?
Yeah.
What
What do you usually
Usually
do on
do.
Sunday?
Sunday.
15.
Which color?
Which
Yeah.
color?
Which color?
Which color do
16.
you? How
How
many?
tall?
How many?
How many?
How many?
Yeah. How many?
Oh.
16. 17.
Oh,
How,
17.
How
17. How many?
how many?
How many?
Thousand.
18.
18 do you live on?
How
How
far?
long? How far?
How far? 19.
Does
How
it
much?
sound-
How much?
How much?
Does it
20.
How long?
Yeah.
How long?
Where did this
Oh,
interview
where?
take?
Cek di mana ya?
Di mana ya?
Okay. So, coba lanjutin yang ini. What do you
What do you do on Friday?
Okay, what do you do on Friday? Number 2,
What does your
mother age?
Name.
nggak bisa dong.
Name.
Kalau what does your mother name pakainya what is, bukan what does.
What does your mother age?
What is itu.
What does your mother do?
What does your mother do? Kalau does itu pakainya verb. Ya, pakai verb. Oke, what ya, what are
You
What
doing?
what are you doing now? Okay. Number 4.
Where do you live?
Where do you live? How do you
How do you spend your day?
How do you spend your free time? Okay. When did you
apply the job?
When did you apply the job? Okay. When did you go to Jakarta? When did you get married? When did you graduated from the university? Ya, when kan kapan? Who do you
Live with?
live with? What did you
Do.
do yesterday? Okay. Why did you
Cry.
Why did you cry yesterday? Wah. Where did you?
Go
Did you-
tomorrow. Can
you did
Where did
kok.
you left your wallet?
Yeah, where did you lose your wallet? Where did you go yesterday? Kalau did pakainya lampau.
Past tense.
Pakai.
Oh, will, does itu pakainya future. Kemarin kan ada present tense, future, past tense. Udah kan, past tense. Nah, kita tinggal apply-kan aja itu auxiliary yang ada di situ. Kita mau interview temannya dengan at least 10 question. Each participant ask the friend with 10 question. Ready? Ready, ready, ready?
Ready.
Okay, so let's practice in the breakout room.
Miss. Miss Grace.
What room are you in, sister?
Miss, maaf, ini nggak tahu kenapa tiba-tiba ini muncul install update gitu loh, langsung keluar saya.
Oh iya, harus diupdate itu Zoom-nya. Room berapa? Room 3 ya?
Belum 3 itu sama Bro Agus itu loh tadi.
Oke, join the breakout room,
Terima
sister.
kasih.
Welcome to the main session. Thank you everyone yang sudah join. Gimana?
Ya, Miss.
Iya,
Baru
gimana?
sebentar.
Baru sebentar. Iya. Nah, ini jangan lupa update Zoom, selalu update Zoom ya.
Iya,
Tiap
lupa.
bulan,
I
tiap bulan.
forgot to do.
Ya, tiap bulan itu pasti ada update-nya kalau Zoom.
Tiba-tiba
Supaya
itu ngeblank terus muncul
notification.
Iya,
Nah,
installing tadi
New.
installing update.
ya,
Iya.
new version gitu kan. Makanya
Yes.
saya selalu announce to you, selalu diupdate Zoom-nya supaya nggak error. Itu aja sih teman-teman.
Ya tiba-tiba blank gitu.
Nah, gimana? Do you find difficulty? Ada susah nggak? Ada yang susah atau tidak?
Yes.
Apa yang susah? Apa yang susah?
Menyenangkan
kan?
sih, Miss, nggak
Oh,
ada.
menyenangkan.
Karena saya menemukan orang yang enak diajak ngobrol. nyambung.
Oh, okay. Yeah, tomorrow the topic is about past perfect tense. Present perfect tense. We talk about experience. Udah pernah belum? Sudah belum? Nah, itu pakainya present perfect. Aku pernah loh. Itu pakainya present perfect. Kita akan bahas present perfect itu tomorrow, and the next day we talk about music. Ya,
Yeay.
besok present perfect, terus Kamisnya kita ngomongin tentang music. Thank you for joining to this class, and let's meet tomorrow
Thank
with
you for
present
today,
perfect topic.
Miss.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
See you Thank you again. again.